In this video, we are going to discuss two programs. The two programs are first one Python program to check number is perfect number or not, and second Python program to print perfect numbers from 1 to 100. So make sure you watch the video till the end. My name is Basha. Welcome to Python program to practice for beginners by Code World YouTube channel. Before getting to the topic, a request for you friends. If you are first time visiting my channel and want to learn Python programming language, make sure you hit the subscribe button and activate the bell icon to get notifications. Get into the video. So now I'll tell you what is perfect number. A perfect number is a positive integer that is equal to the sum of its positive divisors excluding the number itself. So let me explain the example, then you are clear. For example, 6. 6 is a perfect number because it is a positive integer and its positive divisors are 1. We can divide 6 with 1 and it gives remainder 0, and 2. We divide 6 with 2, it will give remainder 0. Next 3 and next 6. We need to exclude the number itself. So if we exclude the 6, if we sum the all numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3, it will give 6. Number is 6 and the sum of positive divisors excluding the number itself is 6. So the value 6 is a perfect number. I think you're clear with what is perfect number. So now Python program to check a number is perfect number or not. First I'll take a variable n is equal to int. For simplicity I'll take n is equal to 6. Next I'll take a variable r is equal to 0. Store the sum value. Next follow for I in range of 1 comma n. Okay, and if n modulus I is equal to 0, increment the r value with I. Here by using for loop I'll take the values from 1 to n, so 1 to 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and I'll check all values from 1 to 5 whether they are divisor of the n or not. This is the explanation for this for loop. So what happened inside for loop is this. I'll split the screen. So for the first iteration, the value of I is 1. So the value of n is 6. So 6 modulus 1, which will give the remainder 0 inside the if block, and the value of r became 1. For the second iteration, the value of I became 2 and it checked the condition 6 modulus 2 and it gives 0, and the value of r became 3. Again, next iteration the value of I became 3 and again it checked the condition and r value became 6. Again I value became 4. In that case the condition fails. 6 modulus 4 is equal to 2, which is not 0. 2 is not equal to 0. So this condition fails. So it does not enter into the if block and the r value remains same, 6. And again r modulus 5, which give 1 is not equal to 0, so r value becomes 6 as it is. Here we don't check 6 because in the definition I told you we need to exclude the number itself. This is what happened here from line 3 to line 5. I hope you understand this code. Okay, next I'll check if n is equal to r. I'll print this is a perfect number. So print n comma is a perfect number, and else print n comma is not a perfect number. That's it, right? This is Python program to check number is perfect number or not. So I'll run my code. See here 6 is a perfect number. I'll change n value. For example, I'll take n is equal to 10. I run this code again. Here 10 is not a perfect number. I'll give 5 and again I run this code. 5 is not perfect number. If you learn something from my videos, please support me. Please like my videos and subscribe to my channel and activate the bell icon to get notifications. When I upload, you will notify by YouTube. Next Python program to print perfect numbers from 1 to 100. I'll keep everything same. I'll keep main code same. This for loop is the main code in this program. I'll add one more for loop here. I'll remove this n value and for I'll take n here n in range of 1 to 100, right? We want perfect numbers from 1 to 100. I'll take entire this code inside this for loop. Here I remove this if else block. Here we no need to print this is a perfect number, this is not perfect number, right? Simply we need to print the perfect numbers. That's it. Everything is same. I think no need to explain it again. Same here. If all is equal to n, print n. Simply print the value. If it is a perfect number, it will simply print the number. That's it. I run this code. See here, there are only two perfect numbers from 1 to 100. There are 6 and 28. Only two perfect numbers. For example, I'll give 500 here in the range of 1 to 500. I run this code. See here, from 1 to 500, three perfect numbers. If I give like this, n is equal to, then there happens single line. I think it look better. Okay, 628, 496 from 1 to 500. For example, if I want 1 to 100, there are only two perfect numbers, 620. That's it. So before this for loop, there is only one n value. N is equal to 6. That's it. So by adding this for loop, we'll take n value. We'll change this n value. For the first iteration, n is 1. For second iteration, n is 2. For third iteration, n is 3. We'll change the n values from 1 to 100. So we'll check the remaining code is same. We'll check all the numbers 1, 2, 3, all the numbers whether this is a perfect number or not. So it will print only perfect numbers. It will exclude the numbers which are not perfect numbers. That's it for this video, friends. See you in next video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Comment your opinion on this video in the comment section below. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you. Thank you for watching.